Kishe, koto tona natin, look at Greg Yawakia, One Nation Tribal Alliance on Administrator. Teshuka tono awana elatina, tono hai, penan anitik ko na, ianitik ko na, tono awan pegekia. So na awan, ko pikon hoki yana, ko pikon kapin hoki, ko pikon ho na awan tekohan nanne. Ma, tachi, to na awan ho, si penan akia no na. Kuas on ianitik ko na, nape, ma honkat hon tikwa na iyan kopla yung itok kanawa. Chiko tumaho aya na kako dati na napko. Ko pikwan to. Ho iyana ho leo ni ko. Ma kwaas hosto chao ap temto hoste chip. Stom ulo na kwaas yu heto tippa. Stom ho iyana tom lea na kyanna. Tom kwaas yu heto tippa. Akya po aya sekya. Ko pikon hong kwaas yu heto tippa le ko. Ma to ayu yana to anan kwinto kwai ko tom ko atinina ko to le tunona stom yu heto tinna le ko pigo ma to tsana ma tom temish atinina kya to kwa lesnek kya to ho ya kwa tom atinina kya to ele konna tom sto anan kwite chito yam ho ya na kwite chip kwa tom atinina to ayu yana kyanna ma kyo tsana ma gato tsana su sepak cho she hon tawe antes manawe ho na hon aklike nantap hesemote nananto sepak cho na su le ko le abong ukwain hon sepak cho nan hon ta ko to kenap kya le son lenem kelas to ho yanan techip to anan kunana to techip to tunatip sunna niap to tunatip to nawang kwa Agrikenan tappoke ap tappokenan ko tappamma to hon hesemotinan anta ko tawe elamapa sto kwainan yamonte nakke to kwainan sto tepakchunan to takotes ka kwa to mani to snak namapte to lesnenan tachi to matashinas tunan lesnen es ho yana yam ayu yana ko le tunona le ko tachi melikam penan usana ho yana le ko awakening le ko usana ko pikon awakening le ko you awaken by understanding what is going on in the world today, meaning that you do not have to be told what to do and you just know how to function of what is out here in the world. But iskonanan quin tuta siam pena ishokanan temta kakos usona ape ko pikwan ho iyana leko iskon techip ma ho nawan pena tuta siam pena teona. You must be born again to see the world leko ko pikwan leko ma to ho iyana techip kwa astom yu he to tinna ke sile kya la iskonanan kun ho nawan kapin ho ile ko kapin ho akyon le ati ke nale ko usona kapin ho ile ko mo tom kapin ho ite ona ke to yama shina awona ela tinna yam uana mito kapina ya uana mawanto kapina ho ito awona ela tinna la anan kun uso nawan wema we no mawe ateawe ko aluso tatawe chuchamuna kapin ho illi temta usona kyon iona elatena ko lea ma son atik yan na anan ku ketsan shon atik yan nakya temta yam kapin ho te onakya uso na on ko as kapin na ho tinona tatawe wemawe no mawe ansamo kapin na ho ate onakya ko lea te ati honkochi Koadakia, on iya ni tikunana, yam mananakia, on iya shuawa. In other words, we talk with our thoughts and our energy to our relations, which is the trees, the flowers, the bugs, and the animals. Ansam mo, hong quadakya, hong kabinaho illa pa. Ta iskonanan kun ho nawan tekohan na nelekop. Ko pikon ho nawan tekohan na nelekop. Ma ho nawan kapin ho itachi. Lalekyan ng kun kwadak antosu. Yo appa ho nawan yatok ketachu. Kwad ho nawan kakos awe ko leon awe usunak ho nawan. Tachi yatok ketachu ulo na usona sita usona ka ho nawan tekyan na usunakyap on awe ko akyap ho awan melika mawan penan usi divine feminine tap divine masculine akyap uson ho na on koplea yam kuilaho ate nakya akyap ho nawan sita ho nawan tachu achi hapona no awo ko akya uson ho nawan liston aho awe ko yam ho anan kun hon yam hon yatok ke tacho yam ona kwa hon ta yam achi ta yam apa kwa yaman te honni ho nawan kapin ho itachi anan kun ho nawan yatok ke tacho yatok ke sita usona temsa hon kwa ayu yana akya yam ulo no pikwaina hon atik anna ho nawan kapin ho uson antes manakyak ho nawan yatokya ho nawan usona kwasakya ho nawan tekohannan isha mastona kwa hoste chip kwa dakya ho nawan tekohannan ipasto shukwa tekohannan ho nawan ko ipasto dam tunanakya yam ho yato ketachu kwa ela kwa yakya na ela kwale kwa awisko to yato ketachu ho yamona yanayu ya na kesi yam ho kapina ho awana elatena tachi so yam tekohannan na keto na so yato ketachu ulo na sita to na so ona elate na le cuanto uso be isuso na lalekyan na pikay na isha masto na kyo nawan uso na kiteus akyap melikawan penan your spirit has a conscious. That conscious is the infinite light, and that light is within your spirit because your spirit is in the body. So those are the trinity of your life, your body, your spirit, and then your light. And with the body, when you are awakened to what the realistic of this world is about. Then your spirit comes into play. Your spirit is connected to your ancestors, your past relatives, all these plants, all our relations on this earth, plants, trees, rocks, everything on this earth vibrates. When it vibrates, it responds. When it responds, it has a spirit. So, in order for our spirit can connect with all these other things, other spirits, to make the esoteric things happen, whether it's shapeshifting, whether it's remote viewing, whether it's psychic surgery, you have to understand the esoteric realm of your spirit. And then your spirit goes into your light, your infinite light being, which is into the Buddhahood, which is the enlightenment, which is to the creation of divine feminine and divine masculine. So these are the three things that we work on, and our spirit will work with our divine feminine and divine spirit, our divine masculine, to understand and to guide our spirit, and the spirit can guide the body. So, with this, I hope this definition is clear. And maela kwa to yatong kokshi suna kenantem talas tapong kwa kiya shuawa.